Patuloy ang legal battle sa pagitan ng Metro Clark Waste Management Corporation o MCWMC at Clark Development Corporation o CDC, kasama ang Business Conversion and Development Authority o BCDA. Kaugnay ito ng operasyon ng Kalangitan Sanitary Landfill sa Capas, Tarlac, ang pasilidad na tumatanggap ng mga basura mula sa mahigit 100 local government units sa North at Central Luzon. Matatandaan noong Hunyo sinabi ng CDC na hindi na marerenew ang lease agreement ng MCWMC dahil na rin sa development initiatives ng BCDA sa 100 hektaryeng lupain na sakop ng pasilidad. Samantala, matapos ang ilang araw na tigil operasyon nito lamang Oktubre, naglabas ng writ of preliminary injunction ng Regional Trial Court Branch 66 ng Capas, Tarlac at nagpatuloy ang operasyon ng MCWMC sa landfill. Sa kabila nito, naghahanda pa rin ng ilang alternatibo at intervention ng siyudad San Fernando, Pampanga sakaling tuluyan itong magsara.
Siyempre, kasi anyang daramdaman tayo pa mo yung problemang yan, may gredita naman. Alata mong pigaga naman.
Ayon kay City Environment and Natural Resources Central Chief Gemma Doble, sa kasalukuyan ay walang problema pagdating sa waste management sa siyudad San Fernando.
Ang waste management sa City of San Fernando, maayos siya. I'm proud to say that we are always an awardee when it comes to the Regional Interagency Compliance Assessment and also a constant awardee in the implementation of environment programs and projects. So right now, we do not have problems when it comes to the implementation of the policy in the waste management, especially in solid waste, like the no segregation, no collection, and even up to the final disposal, which is, as per RA 9003, the final disposal should be at the engineered or accredited sanitary landfill.
Aabot daw sa 120 to 125 tons ng residual waste ng syudad ang nadidispose araw-araw sa Kalangitan Sanitary Landfill.
Even with the Metro Clark as the final disposal, we have so many intervention made for the waste reduction. We do not have to worry because our conveyor will be installed. So our plan B is we will have our residual compartment on which the residual waste will be baled for the final disposal. Still, the final disposal is with the accredited sanitary landfill.
Ini-inspect din daw ng Senro ang iba pang sanitary landfill facilities na nag-o-offer ng serbisyo.
We have to check the facility if it conforms to the law under RA 9003 that the sanitary landfill should have the lining, it should have a leachate fan, it should have precautionary measure not to pollute the land.
Liana Canilaw, CLTV 36 News.